So good morning. So this is the Moreloved care timesheet. So it's like this. So the employee enters his name, street address, everything here. Employee name, email, and this one will be logged so that he or she won't be able to edit. So on the first week, this will be the dates, right? Accordingly. So on Monday, he or she is going to put the time which he have yaninge auya pabasa pacho. So let's say 20 past 6, right? Then he is going to enter again the time where he or she leave the job for that day. Let's say at 8 8:49. So what this time she does is that is going to calculate the difference, and now it shows the hours. So it's 2 hours 39 minutes the person was on the job. So let's say after the first week is done, right? You or she will come on the next page. It will be the same. The next page, as you can notice, this is 11 April to 17 April. As time goes on, 18 April page to 24 April 2021. Then the month will be ending at this part, the week on April week 5. You'll be just filling this section only, the time in, time out, time in, time out, and the information. So in the information, the employee name, everything, just enter one document.